Hey Dave's Roadies, welcome to another Walt Disney World vlog. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I wanted to show you guys the last bits of Future World and some of EPCOT that we got to check out the last time we were here, especially before the renovations. So let's take it all in. Wait, Dave, this isn't EPCOT. Yeah, you're right. This is actually the drive to Boardwalk Inn, where we stayed part of our time there, which is an EPCOT resort. So we're going to show you a little bit of Boardwalk and what we got to do there. Now, we're not going to do a hotel tour or anything, but this is the front of the hotel where you can check in. By the way, Roadies, you know the drill. Chokeslam the like button, click subscribe, click the bell icon, follow me on social media, and also, if you want to, you can support me on PayPal. How about this scene? This is a pan of the entire Boardwalk area for the Boardwalk Inn and Village Resort. It's just so beautiful in the mornings. Over there is the Boardwalk Bakery, and I'm about to show you guys a little bit more detail there because that's where we ate breakfast. But this is where you wait for the boats. You can ride boats to Hollywood Studios or EPCOT. And here we are at Boardwalk Bakery. There are some amazing views that you can take in as you can eat outside, and I'll show you some of the foods that we ate here before we went to the parks. This was the view from our table, and you can see one of the boats heading to the dock and picking up some more guests to take them to the park. When you go inside the bakery, you'll come to a line and you order your food and it's freshly prepared for you if they haven't already done it. This bakery actually makes their own cinnamon rolls from scratch. And as you can tell, it looks fantastic. Now, my wife had a similar cinnamon roll without the icing. I think they call this a coffee nut cake or a coffee nut roll. My kids all had chocolate chip muffins. And again, they make them from scratch at the bakery as well. And I think they enjoyed them. Holy cow, I think I'm on the brink of another restaurant review. Now, the bacon here was fantastic as well. Now, if you're a Disney resort guest and on the dining plan, you also get these refillable mugs that you can refill with any drink, non-alcoholic of course, at the hotel. And you can get plenty of refills of coffee or soda.
The last bite of the cinnamon roll was excellent cinnamon roll. Served warm, it was gooey, and sweet and good.
Alright, we started our day at Future World. And here in Future World is the Fountain of Nations. Now, Fountain of Nations will no longer be around as they are going to be renovating a good portion of Future World. So let's take it all in. We also got a chance to explore World Showcase. And this is World Showcase Lagoon, and this is right around the International Gateway, France area. Here is a great shot of the France Pavilion. Now, coming up in 2020 will be the new Ratatouille ride. included here. Next is the Morocco Pavilion. I really love this pavilion because it is so immersive. I really wish I had filmed more of that one. Now here's Germany. Now this is some great shots of Germany because it is also a very immersive pavilion. You feel like you're there in Germany. Back to Future World, and there's my monorail right next to one of the most iconic buildings of Walt Disney World, Spaceship Earth. As we say goodbye to EPCOT in this era, let's just take in a view of Fountain of Nations and Spaceship Earth at night. I hope you enjoyed this brief vlog of EPCOT and the Boardwalk Villas, my roadies. More videos are coming your way soon. Until next time, laters.